Hello everyone, and welcome to this lesson in which we will learn how to do addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. I'm glad to have you here. First, let's do a quick review of decimal fractions. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10. For example, 0.2 is the same as 2 over 10, and 0.45 is the same as 45 over 100. The placement of the decimal point determines the place value, such as tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and tens of thousands. Now let's learn how to add and subtract decimal fractions. The key to adding decimals is to align the decimal points. Remember, you can add zeros to the right of a decimal fraction without changing its value. Here is an example for us to try. Add 10.56 and 2.892. First, we line up the decimals and add 0 as a placeholder. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 9 is 15. Write down 5 and carry 1 over. 1 plus 5 plus 8 is 14. Write down 4 and carry 1 over. Place the decimal points correctly, then add 1 plus 0 plus 2. This gives 3. Finally, 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is 13.452. Easy, right? Let's look at another example. Martin is to drive 148.71 miles to visit his grandparents. He drove for 63.95 miles before refueling his car. What is the distance left? Round up your answer to one decimal place. To find the distance left, we subtract the decimal numbers. We stack up the numbers, align the decimal points, and add placeholders where necessary. We can't take away 5 from 1, so we make 1 larger by borrowing from 7 to make it 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 7 is reduced to 6 and cannot subtract 9, so we borrow 1 from 8 to make it 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now bring down the decimal point. 8 has been reduced to 7, so 7 minus 3 is 4. And 14 minus 6 is 8, so the answer is 84.76. To round up 84.76 to one decimal place, we have the target digits as 7 and the rounding digits as 6. 6 is rounded up to become 1. Then we add 1 to 7, making it 8. Therefore, the distance left is 84.8 miles. Decimal fractions have endless applications, from measuring length, weight, and temperature to dealing with money. Now, math friends, it's assessment time. Maya bought a pen for 118 naira 75 kobo and a notebook for 233 naira 45 kobo. How much did she spend in total?
We add the costs of the notebook and the pen to get our answer. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 and carry 1 to the other side. Add 1, 7 and 4 to give 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Place the decimal points in the right position. Add 1 plus 8 plus 3. This gives 12. Write 2 and carry 1. Add 1, 1 and 3. This gives 5. Lastly, 1 plus 2 is 3. The answer is 352 naira 20 kobo. So, Maya spent 352 naira 20 kobo in total.
Fantastic job, math stars! You have learned how to add and subtract decimal fractions. Remember to align the decimal points, perform the operations, and place the decimal points correctly in your final answer. More practice will certainly make you a pro. Bye for now, my friends.